Hi, welcome to another episode. My name's Sergio, and today we're gonna focus on what I do for home improvement. On this episode, we're gonna go over a property that I actually own and I've improved in the last, taken about a year, little by little, to get it not only nicer, but ready to rent out to the market. We've been upgrading it, doing things here and there, not all at one time, and this is what we've done. In this specific property, we painted the outside, scraped the ceilings, of course painted the ceilings, took down lighting, ripped out the kitchen, put in a new kitchen, remodeled the bathroom, put toppers on the fences, and that was all done in about a year's time. And one of the reasons I'm pointing this out is that this was a newer investment that I did, thinking, oh my gosh, this place could be nice. What could it be? And this is what we did. A lot of people think that remodeling, one, takes a lot of money, a lot of time, so on and so forth. If you are like me, budget conscious, it does take a little bit of money, but not as much as you think. For example, let's go right into the kitchen. What I do is I go to specific vendors, like Amora Cabinets does the cabinets, I go to Elite Stone, or I go to BS, which is Best Cheer Stone, by the way, BCS, sorry. BCS Stone, to just look at what the countertops, for example. Tiles, if you want to go to Floor and Decor, that's where I got the back tiles here. A place that I go to get a very good value, this is going to be a big secret, a very good value for appliances. You just have to be patient and look and go maybe more than once. I go to a place called Mega Appliances in Santa Fe Springs, and I will say that you can probably get you'll see here, the refrigerator, the dishwasher, all these things here, the washer and dryer, for about over 50% off of what you can get in retail. So, and they're all almost brand new. They're wrapped in plastic, a lot of them, so on and so forth. Now, when you see this kitchen, literally there's still plastic on these appliances. Why I did that is, one, they are new. Two is when a tenant comes in, first tenant, or let's just say you're selling this, right, as a seller, I feel personally that I want the tenant or the buyer to peel off the feeling of it's new. I think you get more value. I think people feel and believe that it's like theirs and they take ownership of it. So one of the things I would recommend is, if you are either fixing something to flip it or to sell it or even to rent it, that you don't take off the plastic, unless it's something like in the stove that you kind of have to, because then forget about it. So that's what I would do, and I do that on purpose. Now, another room that people forget about, and I say they're very important, we're gonna move into the bathroom. Now, this particular bathroom was super small. So what I had to do is actually think of a way to enlarge it without taking too much of the floor plan. So I took a closet out and made that a linen closet, took the linen closet, turned it into the added it to the master bathroom, expanding it and giving it a very overall high-end look, really big feeling, and turned a 1 sink vanity into a 2 sink vanity, 2 mirrors, walk-in shower, and really making that pop. So in houses, I think bathrooms are very important in general. So if you have two things, that's the bathrooms and the kitchens that are upgraded, you will get a tremendous value back, and the money that you invest is just doubled or tripled in your pocket. Why am I sharing this video? I just wanted to share this video to show you how easy and how minimal things have to change in a property that you may not have thought of, and just by adding a can lighting, by adding glass sliding door in the bathroom, by removing a wall and extending, just literally making a square of the bathroom just like, what is that, 3 feet by 4 feet bigger, it will just pop, wow, make you money, and when you go to sell it, it'll just really stand out. Those are the recommendations that I would do. Focus on, if you don't have anything else, I would focus on the kitchen, the bathroom. And the last step, I'm just gonna throw this in there, if you really wanna go for it, the windows. Replacing the windows is not very costly. It's very, very inexpensive, and we'll go into that possibly in the next one. This is Sergio. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you took some really good notes on that and some value. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you have a topic you want us to cover, go ahead and place it below, and we'll go ahead and review those and get back to you. Thanks again for stopping by again.